place, right? And then I told you all where I was. Then Moshe shows up. Well, I wasn't even aware it
He
was
came
Moshe.
in like Jesus.
Tommy, the
Like
way
he
he
was
was
just gonna
so angry,
anoint you with
the way
some
he was
holy
so
oil.
angry. Then he just came. There he is. He shows up. Wow, wow, wow. Then he was wearing all black, right? So they were ready for the fight, right? So the Moshe's crew was there. Fuck that, bitches. There we are. Me and my friend, we're drinking, we're minding our own business. That Moshe comes, he's like, what did you say about me? I'm like,
I thought he was actually talking to you nicely, and then the next thing I'm like, "Hi,
hi,
Moshe,
Tommy,
Booty Moshe, what is it that
Tommy.
you're doing?"
Next thing,
He was
go, go, go.
brutalizing that he's actually a
Yeah, but
Booty Moshe. You put Moshe
let me
aside.
tell.
I'm done
Then
with
I'm
you,
sitting. I'm gonna
Moshe
tell you the
Ndiki.
truth, right?
Mm-mm.
And then I'm sitting, we're drinking, me and my friend, we's having that fucking cocktail that don't even make drunk.
And he comes when you are seated.
Then I'm sitting, obviously I'm sitting, I'm not expecting a bitch to jump me. And then that bitch like, what did you say about me? I'm like, okay, then I'm trying to figure out who are you? I'm like, what did I say about you? Then I look away because I'm trying to like remember, I know like a lot of people, I talk about everyone, right? And then when I look up, they might go, go.
Like how?
Then
That was so quick.
not me falling on the chair. Show me. Not me falling. Go. I'm falling. Then okay, then I get up. The way you guys think I am where the danger is. Then I'm still like a lady. I get up. I pull the chair up because I'm still trying to figure out what is happening. I'm like, hi man.
But Moshe was in the house.
Uyandingela. Umosho uyandingela, right? Then I come out. So when I come out, when I come out, when the video that Musha's friends are pushing now is the video when I was coming out because then I left my drink at the fucking wait. I'm like, you know what? Hold my drink. It is fine. Now I need to get to Musha. Then the security guards are holding me. They're holding me. They're like, I must relax. I'm like, why must I relax when I got fucking bed like now? So I'm not gonna relax. I need to get me to Moshe. Like I need to fucking get Moshe, and I can sort this out. Woman to woman, or woman to dog, or whatever. Then he's a dog daddy, right? So I'm gonna sort this out myself. I don't even need to get held. I can take care of this myself. And then I come out, and then that's the video that is currently being pushed right now. And then there's a man that's holding me. That's when then he had already like hit me inside, right? Because I was going to him. If you watch, there's another video. If you watch him, then he's walking away because I was going to get him. Ain't no talentless bitch that's gonna put their hands on me, right?
Yeah.
So let me tell you. And then there's the thing, guys. Okay, then my hair fell, right? That's fine. That's funny, but that's also evidence, right? So we're not gonna be stupid about it because I literally got fucking attacked.
You were attacked, and it was like so quick. That was
Yeah,
like.
but Tommy, let me talk my story. Yeah, then let's get to the part when I hit him. That's a part when I'm going. Then I had to defend myself, right? Then I hit him. Oh, let's get to that part. That's where the juice is. Then I like that part when then I was hitting him, right? But his friends are not gonna tell that part when I oh, and then I'm standing outside, and then everybody is holding me. Then, but I'm like, why am I being held? Then everybody is like wanting to hold me because I can jump a bitch, right? So that's fine. Yo, Tommy, I have a headache after getting that beating. Wow, wow. Then I'm on the floor. You guys, you have no idea. The way that bitch jumped me. But I'm gonna get to the part when I jumped him because I did. Then he bled, right? I didn't lie about that. But yeah. Well, I'm not gonna get a haircut. But then my hair was pulled out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Show me how bad is my hair? Can I still
Can I
keep
see
it?
at the back? Let me see.
But can I still keep it? Because I don't wanna. Okay, my friend is saying I can still keep my hair,
Unless
so
you
then
go
I'm not
to
cutting it,
a
right?
hairstylist and then you tell
Yeah, I'm
them.
not gonna cut my hair. Fuck that bitch. So anyway, then you all saw my hair. Then the security guards were so obsessed with holding me, and then they held me. Then I was like nice and chilled. Then Musha shows up again. Then there he is on my face. Then I didn't talk this time. The way I threw my punch straight to the nose. then I hit like a man. Don't think I hit like him. Then he hits a weak. Then I can throw a punch, and I'm throwing a real punch. I'm like, go. Then I'm hitting. Then I'm hitting. Then everybody, then they jumping. Then they're holding me.
That's very
Mang,
dangerous. No.
Chomi, tell me if I'm lying because I'm not lying. That I am. Then I'm hitting him. Then they're holding me. Then they're holding me. Fuck them for holding me. They said Moshe runs the place, right?
So
Yeah.
Moshe runs
Then
the
they,
place.
yeah,
So
they
if
said
we want Moshe, they should be able to give us Moshe. So that's why it's so easy to push this, because they know Moshe. He's the
they
owner.
say that.
Exactly. So, but they're also bad.
He's not an owner.
Look
He
at-
owns Moshe's kitchen.
Look at your space.
That's my evidence. The way that bitch is gonna pay me. And my friend's like, okay, we need to follow this case. Yeah, you guys, you have no idea, right?
Sonia.
And then he can act right. And then he's gonna use me so that he can be relevant. Y'all shame, go support him. Yo, Chomi. But did you see me when he jumped me?
But Moshe just scared me.
Chomi.
I didn't know what to
The
call
way he
him.
jumped the shit out of me.
The way it was so quick. Do you know that?
And then I think what he did to me is what he was doing to the husband. Chomi,
I
remember
you
that
actually
story?
had that story about
Remember
him
that
being
story
abusive.
when then he was beating that.
Yes, that's exactly who
Who's
he
that
is.
fucking man?
I don't know that
That
man. I don't know
Bala
them.
man, Pelo. I think what happened to me is what happened to Pelo. He beat the shit out of Pelo.
I think this is what he does.
This is what he
the
does.
way he came, ne?
The way
I'm telling you, he
show
is
me.
bad.
But that's what it's at. That's
No,
what
it
I'm
is.
saying.
No,
The
that
way he
guy-
beat the shit. Remember when there was headlines and he was beating Pelo? Then I became one of his victims tonight. I'm not fucking lying because I didn't jump him. I was drinking that sweet shit. Then after the jumpation, right? After I jumped, then I put him. Then he was bleeding. I'm not talking enough about when I hit him. Then I hit him back. That's self-defense.
Yeah, look,
Anfununyeleka.
actually, because he wanted to hit you
Anfununyeleka.
and hit you and hit you, and then when you
And
were hitting
then
him
we was
back,
outside, everybody's stopping me. Then Musha comes back. He comes back on my face like some bitch. You know, wait, I'm doing a pose. I wish you could see me. Then he stands like this. His hand on what's this part?
the waist.
At the waist.
The corner of the waist.
I'm sure Moshayiwe isilungu siyabaleka, sami sibalekile ngoku. At the waist. And then I see him. I'm like, oh, I'm not talking. Then I just went straight for the nose. Oh, that's where the danger is at my friend. Then I went straight for the nose. And then I think I hit hard because then he was bleeding. Then he was the whole time. But I did one punch. I didn't do a lot. But I hit the
And then
right place.
if he had allowed you, because
Then they was holding me. Then they was holding me. Everybody's jumping to hold me. I'm like, okay, let me go. Don't fucking hold me. Then they was holding me, and then
like, we have to live.
And then they're like, we should leave.
runs the
I'm like,
place.
but why are we leaving when I'm the one who got assaulted? They're like, Moshe is the boss. I don't even think he's not a fucking boss. They lied, but then they don't know that. Then I have a case. Then they said he's the boss, so they're gonna give us his address.
Since
then,
they know, like I actually have a picture of the lady who said that.
You have a video. We have a video. He did hit me, but it was weak. It was weak. He hits weak, but then it doesn't mean he didn't hit me right. Then I'm gonna open a case. I'm literally waiting, but then I'm gonna tell you some shit first. And then remember, then he was bleeding at the corner. Then I was told me the way I wanted to get to him. Then that fucking security guards, they stopping me. I'm like, leave me alone. The moment I move towards him, then they hold me because, bitch, I am not scared. I am going to fight. And then they were like, okay, you should leave. I'm like, okay. You know, then my friend was like, we should leave, but I wasn't going to leave.
So far, Moshe hasn't come out to explain his side of the story on what happened. But whilst Musa was on the Twitter space, Moshe Ndiki requested to speak, and here is what he had to say.
Musa, all
And I think that's where the danger is.
All I'm saying to you is, better unye ngilungikhala masimba. Wena
Uye kanti uMoshe-
mamako than better ninye nonke. Thank you so much.
Uye-
Bye.
Uye.
requesting.
Hi, wena. Hi,
Hayi,
wena.
Moshe.
Come, let's meet at the place. Ufuna ubetha, way, you have
Hayi
no
bo-
idea. Ufika uzola online. Don't jump me. If you want to fight, then don't run away. Bitch, don't run away.
Yeah, but
Do not come
other than
jump.
that, this is
And that's how real I am. I'm not gonna come fucking wanna attack you when you're not looking and come swear at you at a space and come jump you. I'm gonna jump you when you're not looking because you already did that. So know that. But if you wanna fight and you wanna fist fight, bitch, we can meet at the same place outside. We don't even need to go inside. We can meet right outside at the parking lot. Keep your mouth shut, bitch, where you jumped me. We meet at the same place and then Ziakala. I am not scared of you, but yeah, I'm not fucking scared of you. Oh my God. You hit weak. It's even worse. I know I'm gonna fucking hit you. You hit very weak. Very, very weak. But right now I'm proving a point to you. Hence, I'm opening a case against you. But you hit very
opening a
weak.
case against you. Fusek umsunu wakho nomsunu kamamako. I'm actually Angel. Like, try
Well, it's
Msunu
nice. Swear
wakho
at me.
nawe
Swear at
akho
me.
nawe. Msunu wakho nawe. Leave Musa alone. Leave
You
Musa
mustn't leave me. I
alone,
want to fight. I
Msunu.
want a fist fight. I
Oh,
want a fist
Msunu
oh my
fight.
God.
wena.
I don't want to
Actually,
hide
I thought I was
behind
speaking to
Msunu
actually
Yeah,
people
kanyogo.
Mbona,
that
but the way
actually
he
Mngundu
says
speak.
that,
kanyogo.
you know,
But
he's
you know what?
actually used
I
to
don't
having
speak to
case
abantu
open against him.
abangenangqondo. Ingqondo yakho
Umuntu ongenangqondo
nomamakho.
ngilongena
So
etywaleni atsatele
Mbuzi
umntu.
wakho nawe.
uyaconfusa.
Umnqundu, mamela
So
ke bhuti womnqundu.
Shomi, let him talk. It's okay.
Umnqundu
Umnqundu
ngilongena etywaleni
nawe.
akuthathele musa ukuthathele lo bhuti lo.
Like
Ngumnqundu.
you come and attack me, so
Ngumnqundu.
umngundu
Umntu
guwe.
okuthathelayo
Umnqundu
Like
ngumnqundu.
you didn't
nguwe.
give me
Ngumntu
a chance.
nguwe.
So if you wanted a
Ewe.
fight, we could have fought.
Exactly.
If you wanted
Ukukuthathela
a
ke ngoku
fight,
ngoba uzothi
we
ngumnqundu
literally could have fought.
ongenangqondo.
You saw
Kube
me,
kunguye.
you met me,
Hayi bo.
you want to come jump me, and then you run. If you wanted a fight, and I'm going to make this very clear, if you wanted to fucking fight, you should have stood outside when
Ewe.
I followed you after you attacked me when I wasn't looking, then we could have fought. So there was no need with umnqundu. And andasikhathi somnqundu ke
Athi umnqundu.
oqeda ukungigabha makaqeda uzongena ephejini yami. Like ikhona into enjalo mara. Ikhona into enjalo mara. Ufike ungisukele ungikape, uma uqeda ukungikapa ngikushiye labo ngikape khona because bangixoshile kwathiwa, oh no, he's the owner, you should leave. I'm like, I don't give a fuck, I'ma leave. Show me.
That was a clip of an audio of blogger Musa Khawula, who was beaten by Moshe Ndiki last night after Musa wrote about him on his Twitter page. You guys, talking about how Moshe assaulted him. Well, that's all I have for you today. I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.